And in terms of key deliverables, key outcomes, I will just list a few. For instance, when it comes to overarching achievements, I just mentioned the upgrading of our bilateral relationship to special global strategic partnership. We've also decided to establish an annual foreign ministers dialogue for regularly reviewing the implementation of the elevated partnership, as also the Horizon 2047 roadmap, apart from taking stock of strategic issues happening around us. In terms of technology and innovation, there's been the launch of India-France Year of Innovation. Also the launch of India-France Innovation Network, which some of you might have seen just a few minutes ago. In terms of defense and security, as I mentioned, virtual inauguration of the H-125 helicopter final assembly line. Incidentally, our Honorable Raksha Mantri and the French Defense Minister are present there, where they're having, or where they've had by now, their annual defense dialogue. In addition, there's also the reciprocal deployment of officers of our Indian Army and French land forces establishments. On critical and emerging technology, we've decided to constitute a joint advanced technology development group, as also a joint declaration of intent for cooperation in critical minerals. There's also a letter of intent to establish a Center on Advanced Materials between our Department of Science Technology and the French institution called CNRS, which is one of the world's largest scientific institutions, especially focused on basic research. We've also we've also signed the amendment to the double tax avoidance agreement between the two countries. And then there are a host of deliverables related to startups, to science and technology, health, renewable energy, skilling. For instance, a letter of intent between T-Hub and Nord France on strategic cooperation in startup ecosystems. Then there's Memorandum of Understanding for Scientific Collaboration between our Department of Science and Technology and the French entity CNRS. There is a joint declaration of intent on establishing an Indo-French Center for Digital Sciences and Technology at IIT Mumbai. Launch of Indo-French Center for AI in Health at AIIMS, New Delhi tomorrow, which I mentioned. There's also a letter of intent between Department of Biotechnology and French institution ANRS on cooperation in research and development on infectious diseases. That's a very relevant area. Agreement for establishment of India-France Center for Metabolic Health Sciences, the Institute of Liver and Biliary Sciences in Delhi, and a letter of intent to establish a National Center of Excellence for Skilling in Aeronautics in Kanpur. There are several others, and the entire list is available on MEA website.